On this full-day tour, you'll be driven to the Oak Alley Plantation House, then see the Cajuns of the bayou living and surviving in harmony with the swamps. Located about an hour and a half outside the city of New Orleans, Oak Alley is one of the most magnificent plantation tours because of the 28, evenly spaced, huge oak trees that go from the river road to the plantation house. Experience bayou living where here, the waterways are their highways. From the relaxed comfort of our covered New Orleans swamp tour boats, you will drift slowly past a 2,000-year-old Indian Burial Mound, a Cajun cemetery and fishing village. You may see the wildlife that made the Barataria swamps the crown jewel of the Louisiana Purchase. Wheelchair accessible. Infants and small children can ride in a pram or stroller. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. A moderate amount of walking is involved at Oak Alley. Hotel information and valid contact number required at time of booking. Most of the house and trails are wheelchair accessible. Foldable wheelchairs are convenient for movement around the grounds and in the plantation house. You must be out front of your location at the beginning of the pickup window or the bus will be forced to leave. Pickup from most major downtown New Orleans hotels. If your hotel is not listed, please list in comments area or reach out to us. For pickups, there will be a 30-minute window. Please be on the lookout for a bus that says Alert Transportation. 8:15 a.m. pickup will be sometime between 8:15 a.m. and about 8:45 a.m. 10:45 a.m. pickup will be sometime between 10:45 a.m. and about 11:15 a.m. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.